Hello everyone, we are so excited to have you here with us today. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or just starting out, this journey is for everyone. Welcome to your fitness journey right from your home. You don't need to go anywhere or have any special equipment, just a little space and a lot of enthusiasm. It's super easy and quick. In just a few minutes, you can get your heart pumping and muscles working. No fancy gym equipment needed, only your energy and enthusiasm. You can use everyday items around your house if you want to add some resistance. We'll work out together for just 10 minutes. That's all it takes to start feeling the benefits. Ready to feel fantastic? Let's go. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress. This workout is perfect for beginners. You can go at your own pace and take breaks whenever you need to. It's designed to fit into your busy schedule. Whether you have a few minutes in the morning, during lunch, or in the evening, you can make it work. Remember, every step counts towards a healthier you. Celebrate your small victories and keep pushing forward. Let's start our journey to a fitter lifestyle. Together, we can achieve great things. So grab your water bottle, put on your workout gear, and let's get moving. Before we jump into the exercises, it's crucial to get our bodies ready. Warming up is an essential part of any workout routine. Let's warm up our bodies to increase blood flow to our muscles and prepare our joints for the movements ahead. This is super important to avoid injuries and prepare our muscles for the workout. A good warm-up can enhance your performance and make your exercise session more effective. We'll start by marching in place for 1 minute. Lift those knees high. This simple movement helps to get your heart rate up and warms up your leg muscles. Next, gently swing your arms forward and backward for 1 minute. This helps to loosen up your shoulder joints and get your upper body ready for action. Feel your shoulders loosening up. It's important to ensure that all parts of your body are ready to move. Lastly, let's do some shoulder rolls. Forward and backward, 10 times each. Feel the stretch? This will help to release any tension in your shoulders and upper back. Great job, you're warmed up and ready to go. Now that your body is prepared, you can tackle your workout with confidence and energy. Let's get started. Now for the fun part, we're about to embark on a quick yet effective 10-minute workout that will get your heart pumping and muscles working. Whether you're a beginner or a fitness enthusiast, this routine is perfect for everyone. So let's get started and make every second count. First up, we'll do 20 jumping jacks. Jumping jacks are a fantastic way to get your blood flowing and warm up your entire body. They help improve cardiovascular fitness and coordination. Remember to breathe in as you spread your arms and legs and breathe out as you come back to the starting position. Keep a steady pace and try to maintain a rhythm. If you need to, you can always slow down or take a short break. Next, let's do 10 bodyweight squats. Squats are excellent for strengthening your legs and glutes. They also engage your core and improve your balance. Stand with your feet apart, lower your hips as if you're sitting in a chair, and come back up. Make sure your knees don't go past your toes and keep your weight on your heels. Remember to keep your back straight. Engage your core muscles and focus on maintaining good form throughout the movement. If you're new to squats, you can use a chair for support. Now find a wall and do 10 wall push-ups. Wall push-ups are a great way to build upper body strength, especially for beginners. They target your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Stand slightly away from the wall, place your hands shoulder-width apart, and do a push-up against the wall. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels and lower yourself towards the wall by bending your elbows. This is a great way to build upper body strength. Focus on controlled movements and try to keep your core engaged. If you find it too easy, you can move your feet further away from the wall to increase the difficulty. Let's finish this round with a minute of high knees. Bring those knees as high as you can. High knees are excellent for boosting your heart rate and working your lower body. Keep your core tight and pump your arms to maximize the benefits. Good job, you've completed the workout. Remember, consistency is key, so try to incorporate this routine into your daily schedule. Keep pushing yourself and stay active. Section 4. Catch your breath, active recovery. Well done, everyone. Now let's march in place for a minute to catch our breath. This is called active recovery, and it helps our muscles recover faster. Remember to listen to your body and take breaks whenever you need them. You're doing great. Section 5. Time to cool down and relax. Great workout, everyone. Now let's cool down with some stretching. Reach for your toes, gently stretch your arms overhead, and take a few deep breaths. Remember, consistency is key. Even 10 minutes a day can make a big difference. Keep going, believe in yourself, and you'll achieve your fitness goals. Well done today.